Hi, welcome to the channel FFM Ideal Design. My name is Frank Freely Majaler. Today I will be printing a Bravo card, Superhuman Irreplaceable Teammate Award. Enjoy the show.
Had to redo the print because I had it so close to the build plate that it just cut a path in there rather than printing material onto it. So yeah, round two. Here, the Ultimate Cura program says that it's going to be 4 hours and 40 minutes, but as you can see that when it was at 92%, it was about 5.5 hours. So it doesn't take into account the speed. So I have 60 millimeters right now. Of course, when it was 30 millimeters, it was like 8 hours. So the thing doesn't really keep track of the time as well as you think it should. A rule of thumb is if it says 8 hours, just double it when it comes to Ultimate Cura. I don't know if anyone else has had any problems with the time not being exactly right for the estimated time. Usually for me, it's about double. But this time it went by pretty fast actually. I mean, from 4 hours and 40 minutes to 5.5 hours now, and it's actually at 94%. It's not bad. So they've really improved on this. Alright, so we're all done with this print. This is actually a special filament, and it color changes the hotter it gets. So you'll see it starting to change. It goes from dark green to kind of like a skin colored orange. Like a, I don't know, not skin color, but maybe Oompa Loompa colored orange. And then when it gets hot enough, as you can see in the upper right hand corner now, it turns fluorescent green. And so hopefully the way I designed this was that the letters would change last. For the most part. So we have, this is a special make for my friend who wanted to congratulate a co-worker at Home Depot. And so he created this Bravo card, which is sort of a card they give to their team members or teammates for doing a good job. So this one is the Superhuman Irreplaceable Teammate Award. And I guess it has a certain acronym, but that could not be used at this time. Maybe later on someone's going to write that in pen or something, but for now, for the print, especially for this channel, I'm going to have to leave that acronym off. It is the file name, so I'm going to have to blur that out for the video or put a sticker over it. Alright, so it didn't take long at all for that to go from dark green to fluorescent green. Kind of has the effect I wanted. It's 60 degrees Celsius. And really, the only way to turn it back to dark green is to like stick it in the freezer or to put it in a really cool environment. Right now it is about 90 degrees in this room, so it really is going to stay fluorescent green. Maybe during the winter months or other times of the year it would be fluorescent green or just dark green. So yeah, there you go. And this filament is actually from Molen. It's I don't know if it's a Molen or just Molen, M-O-L-E-N, or A-M-O-L-E-N. So yeah, so I'll include some information in the video about more about this filament. But it printed just fine at 200 degrees Celsius for the entire print. And my build plate was at 60 degrees. And overall, I just used the basic default settings for the Ultimate Akira, and it printed very nicely. There was a little support there, as you can see, for the H in human and the S in super. I did not realize I had overlapped those words, so it created that support, and it actually created the lettering very nicely. There was even overhang, and it created the letters very nicely there. So I was actually pretty surprised. One thing to remember when you're making something like this for somebody is to make sure you get your spelling right. So I'm glad that I did do a little check on that. Make sure that the names were all right on here and the words. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this make. And if you work at a Home Depot and you want to praise one of your fellow team members, please go ahead and shoot me an email and I will get you the file. And then you can just change the names to suit whatever purpose you need. Alright, well, you have a very good day or evening or whatever time zone you're in, and goodbye. Thank you for watching FFM, Frank Filament, Ideal Designs. Alright, bye-bye now.